How to become an Uber Eats driver. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open any web browser, then in search address bar navigate to your Uber Eats official website and make sure that you are signed into your Uber Eats account. Once there, tap on the three lines option available at the top left corner of your screen, and once you tap on it, you'll get to see some options available on your left hand side. Now, once you see the options, tap on the sign up as driver option available there. Once you tap on the sign up as driver, you can see get started button available at the top. You can also scroll down and review some rules and regulations to be the Uber driver, and if you fulfill that requirements, then tap on the get started. Now all you have to do is enter simply the country or reason you are starting the Uber drive for. Then tap on the next option available there. If you have a referral code, then you can simply enter it, but if you don't, then you can skip it because it is optional, and tap on the next button available there and continue to the another stage. Now choose your language and tap on the continue button available there. Once done so, now all you have to do is verify you are at least 19 years old. Simply put down your profile photo first of all, and simply go back, and secondly all you have to do is provide them your citizenship card or any ID card, and they will verify you are at least 19 years old. Then also you must have the 1 year of driving experience and enter your Uber vehicle requirements. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.